In this video, we will go over how to add a deficiency from the mobile app. Please note it is also possible to add deficiencies from the Closeout website as well. First, let's click on the blue button that says Add a new deficiency. This will prompt us to take a photo or choose from our existing photo album. Let's take our own photo. We'll take a second to focus in and then click on the white circle. Now we'll click Use Photo. This will bring up a photo editor page. The most commonly used tool is the Draw tool to highlight a specific issue. Now let's click Apply. And we're all done editing, so let's click Done. This will prompt us to enter in a description of the deficiency. So let's type that in and click OK. Now we are in the deficiency editor page. All of the red icons are mandatory fields that need to be filled out for the deficiency to be logged successfully. However, we can click Save at any point and the deficiency will save as a draft. Okay, first let's click on Assign a User. This will pull up a list of users that were added in project settings. If you accidentally forgot to add a user, you can always click Add here to enter them manually. In this example, let's pick our plumber, Peter. Now let's add a location, room 101, and a sublocation, the north wall. The last mandatory field is a due date. Let's click Custom and select from our calendar. So that's all of the mandatory fields. However, there are a couple extra things we can do. We can click on this blue button with a plus sign to add another photo of the issue. We can click on Add a New Note to type out a full description of what needs to get done, or even to ask a question to the assignee. We can click on the Urgent toggle to highlight the deficiency in red for the assignee. And finally, we can add a tag to this deficiency. Tags are any categories that will help you filter your deficiencies in the future. In this example, let's add a tag Level 1. We're done adding. Let's click Save. This will pull up a summary page of what we just logged. Notice here it tells us when the assignee will receive their first email based on what was set up in our mail preferences. If the deficiency is urgent, we can always click the Send an Email Now as Well button here. In the next video, we will go over filtering and approving deficiencies.